Hey everybody, hopefully you've watched the videos now on what similarity means. I want to work you through one quick example problem of how to check if two shapes are similar. So, if we look at these two polygons below, they're both trapezoids, and we just want to check to make sure that they are similar. So what we have to do is check the similarity ratios of each side. So let's start with the shortest side on the left-hand side. And we can see that that corresponds to the shortest side on the right hand side. So the ratio is going to be LK to TS, or 12 to 18. Alright, then we'll check the next ratio, which will be the longest side on the left hand side to the longest side on the right, which, as you can see, will be 18 to 27. And then we can finally check the middle sides, which are 20 and 20, so we don't have to check them twice. But we can see 20 corresponds with 30 on the right. So we have three ratios, and in order for these two shapes to be similar, all these ratios need to equal the same thing. So the quickest way is to just punch it into your calculator and see if you get the same decimal, but if you don't have that available, we're going to reduce all of these ratios. So 12 over 18, we can divide them both by 6, and we get 2 over 3. 18 and 27, we can divide both by 9, get 2 over 3, so we're good so far. And 20 over 30, you can divide each of those by 10 and get 2 over 3. So, check it out. 2 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3. That is the similarity ratio, and it matches for all sides. So we can say these two shapes are similar. So we can write polygon MNKL is similar to polygon VUTS. And remember, it doesn't matter which letter you start with, but order does matter. And we can say they are similar, and the similarity ratio is 2 to 3, or you could write it as 2:3. And that's it. Now, the one other problem they might hit you with is they will give you two shapes, like the ones below, and they will tell you straight up that they are similar. So MNOPQ on the left-hand side is similar to ABCDE on the right-hand side. So knowing they're similar, they'll ask you to find a missing variable. Alright, so we are looking for BC on this side. So we know that BC corresponds with or goes with NO. Alright, we also know the only other side given to us is AB, which is 24, and that corresponds with MN, which is 40. So we're setting up a proportion in order to solve for BC. So we know that NO is 30, so we put this here. And then all we have to do is cross multiply and divide. So we'll get 30 times 24 equals 40 times X. And if you're comfortable with ratios and proportions from lessons 1, you'll get X is equal to 18. All right, good luck on the practice.